Children, welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a house, a hut for the bigger ones. So don't say Tanu Auntie is showing us how to make a hut. Show me how to make a how you all make a hut and show it to me. See, it's a very simple drawing. I know everybody knows how to make a hut, but we'll be doing a little with oil pastel and little with. I wish you can see this. This is the house which we have drawn. It's nothing in the drawing, it is all the painting part in this. So this is the house where it is. Then we will have one roadside, we will have one more here. This will be the water, land, okay, and the houses here. Not much of a drawing, and we'll quickly start with the painting part. So we have taken our artistic watercolors, and I have taken a lot of water on this blue. See, I've taken a lot of water. Can you see? Yes, a lot of water here, and we color the sky fast. Okay, there'll be a little bit of oil pastel work also. Now I take my darker blue here, the middle blue. You have to play with all sorts of blues so that there is a good shading in the sky. See, I'm using two blues of mine for this. Be careful you don't enter the house here. We can do the oil pastel of the house first, and then we can start with the painting part. But I made the drawing and I forgot to do it, so I can do it later on after this dries, no issues. Okay, so I'm using two blues of mine. Can you see the two shades of blues which I'm using? Okay, I'll be using yellow also. So the two shades, the three shades, you have to play with the blues. Whichever blue you like, you can color the sky with that. Just remember, you have to put ample amount of water. Now I'll be taking my yellows. Oh, my yellow has become green. I'll have to clean it first. So I take my yellow this side. You know, yellow and blue. This is a little yellow sky this side, and then a little yellow. And again I dip my brush and I take the darker shade of blue and this blue, of course. So my sky is done for this part. Let it dry and it will give a very beautiful look. See, I put ample amount of water and I'll wait for it to dry. I will off the video, I'll wait for it to dry, and then I will continue. Now here also, now this is your land portion and this again is water. For this water we will just use this blue and just give a small wash to the water. That's it. Okay, this is the wash which we give. This is the nadi बह रही है, ये घर है, ये जमीन है, और ये नदी बह रही है. Okay, enough of a guys. So this is the water part here. Now see, I have used cake colors and I shall be using my poster colors also in this. I feel there should be a little darker blue this side. So I go in for it. And now wait till it dries. I'll come back after it dries. So this part is almost dried. Almost nahi, it is dried. And now I'm using my red, primary red, and my orange color to do the chapda of the house. So what I do is, I just first mark the borders properly. See, I'm not using gully movements. I'm using the moment of the house. See, this is the way how the roof of the house is going. Similar way I have done. Now I will be using my orange and straight I'll be pulling a little bit of red color outside, and this will be the chopda. Okay, this is the roof of the chopda. Chopda of the chopda. Chopda of the chopda. How nice, it rhymes. Now I will take my Persian blue color and see, again I'm using, I'll just make the borders so that I don't interfere here and there. See, this is the border part. Now I'm using straight movements. Can you see, children? No vangad, no tangad. It is straight, standing line. Let it go however it goes. Standing line. Standing line. Acha, it's still there. Standing line. Remember, when you do the house, make sure, acha, it's there. Make sure that this roof comes out and the pooch of this, I'll show it to you with black, comes out. Now what you're supposed to do is you have to take your white and again standing line, you have to pull the Persian blue out. Standing line. Can you see? Now once this is pulled, you will just okay. Now this is done. I'm just smudging it beautifully. Now we will take a black color. Okay. Now we'll take a black color, and remember, we are not going to border the entire thing. What we are going to border is this rooftop. The rooftop here. Then we'll be bordering this part. Okay, we have bordered 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll be making windows. This is one window. This is another window. And this is the darwaja. Okay, this is the darwaza. And we'll be making a ladder over here so that anybody can climb the roof top. And of course this line, which is the center which divides the house, this line also can be done so that it looks nice. This I will be smudging it a little with my blue because I don't want the line to be black actually. So our house is done, the sky is done. Now this river part, for this the land part, for this land part what we are going to take is our brown, of course. So this much part is the land part, so we are using brown, and we'll be using a little bit of the darkest orange which you have, whichever darkest orange you have. So this is the road part. Now this is the darkest orange which I have, and I'm going to take it ahead to this part. Okay, so I'm taking it ahead. Now see, I have left a little bit of white spots here because in this white spots what I'm going to do, the same brown I'm going to put here, and then I'll be smudging it with my hand. Okay, so this is the part which I put here, and I'm just smudging it with my hand, showing that there is some light falling this side, and as you progress towards the road it darkens. Okay, this part again actually there's no need because we'll be doing it with our poster colors. So this part is done with our acrylic colors. We are going to make a few more parts with acrylic colors, but before we start that, we need to do something with our brushes. Now see, I have taken my Persian blue color. This is the poster color Persian blue, and I call this as the Chup Chup brush. This is nothing but the 2 or the 4 number flat brush which is spoiled. Okay, so the spoiled brush, you're going to have taken a little color and dabbing it here. And what we do is make the bushes, and see how I make the bushes. We are going to make bushes here, we are going to make few bushes here, and we are going to make few bushes here. So how we do is we take it at a right angle and we do chop 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 chop. See, this is the way. Now don't tell me, अरे तनु टीचर आप कुछ मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, ब्लू नहीं होता, बुशेस ग्रीन होता है, क्या कर रहे हो? अरे बाबा रॉन्ग कर दिया रे, गड़बड़ हो गई. It is nothing like that. First we are supposed to do this Persian blue color here. See, I take the color, I dab it on my ढकना, and then I do chapa chak chak chapa chak. Mistake nahi झाली आहे रे बाळा, because this is the inner parts of the bushes, and the inner parts of the bushes where the light is not falling will be darker in shade. Because they will be darker in shade, we'll put a little bit inside here so that the house looks a bit natural. Okay, now we will do this part. This part has to be done just so we are just doing chop chop chapak, chop 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 chapak, chop 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 chapak. See, I take my blue, I dab it in my ढकना, and then I do chop 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 chapak, chop 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 chapak. I take my blue, I dab it on my ढकना, chop 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 chapak, 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 chop 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 dum 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 dum. See, I am holding my brush at a right angle, no water taking. Whatever color you have to dab it here, you have to dab it on your ढकना. Please don't take water in this. So we are going to do a little bushes here, small ones which are on the road side. Okay, you should feel like staying in this house. If you don't feel like staying in the house, there is no use of making this house. See, I take it from my on my bottle, I dab it on my ढकना, and then I do chop 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 chop. Now again we'll have to wait till this blue dries. Till then, wash your brush properly, dry it, because we want no water in this, absolutely no water. This is done directly with my poster colors. I have taken not even a pint of water. Yes, if your poster colors are completely dry, you can put a little bit of water. Otherwise, you don't require it. Okay, so I'll off it, I'll let it dry, and then I'll apply my other coat. So now this blue part is dried, and so I take my dark green color, my dark green poster color. See, here I'm taking my light dark green poster. I think so my brush is a little wet. I need to dry it. Yes, it is dried now. So what I do, I take my dark green, then I dab it on my ढकना. Don't do the painting without dabbing it on your ढकना. Okay, now what you do is, on the blue you will start doing this green. Okay, you will start doing the green on the blues, seeing to that a little blue is seen at the background. Okay, a little, even only a tuchki has to be seen, not much. See to that the down parts are covered more better, and then you go a little up now, because this will be the flory part. See, I take the color, I dab it on my ढकना, and then I quickly do it now, because the first step I have shown you, I am just doing the same steps what I had done in blue, but I am doing it with green now. Okay, quickly. No singing songs, quietly do. Tanu teacher, no talking. ए झप्पा झप्पा कर लो, जास्त आवाज करायचं नाही. टिंगा 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 टिंग टिंग टिंग. tapa 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 tapa, tika 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 tika, tapa tapa tapa, tika tika tika, tapa tapa, tika tika, tika 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 tika, tika tika tika, tika tika tika. There are some children who have already done this, but a request is, when you all had done this, you were under my supervision. But now, since it is the YouTube channel and you will be doing it yourself, I want to see how you all do it without taking any help from me. So please, Hiya especially, please do it. Dhrumi, Hiya, they have been my students and they have been doing all the paintings without my help now in the lockdown period. Please do it. Okay, so my 1 2 3 bushes. Now the same procedure has to be followed for the light green. So now I am not cleaning my brush, I am taking the light green color, and the light green color will not be on the lower part, it will just be on the upper part, showing that there is some light falling on the upper parts. Okay, only on the upper parts. After this we will be making the flowers. Yes, I'll take it a little in the house, it will look nice. After this we are going to do a green landscape also. Dinka chicka ticka chicka dinka chicka tick. See, only on the above parts, because this is the place where the light is falling. चप चप चपाट चप चप. हाँ, अभी चप चप करते वक्त ऐसे जोर जोर से नहीं दबाने का, ऐसा हवा में. That is the tip. Okay, first you all try it on a rough paper and then you all do it. अगर बहुत जोर जोर से दबाए, I'll show you what will happen if you do it. Let me complete this and I'll show you what will happen if you do जोर जोर से दबा दबा के, जोर जोर से दबा दबा के, only oil pastel, घसीट घसीट के दबा दबा के. This dialogue also I have learned from one of my students. घसीट घसीट के दबा दबा के. This is the way we do our painting. Now I'll have to keep it for it to dry so that I can do a little bit of flowers. Now my bushes part is dried, and now what I do is I take my white color. Children, if you have fluorescent colors, especially of Rangila, you know, you get those chipka colors, you know, 1 2 3 4 5 all are chit code to each other. Those Rangila colors if you have, and if you have fluorescent in that, please use fluorescent colors for the flowers. They just look great. Now I don't have that Rangila wala color, so I'm using white because my yellow is also a bit dried, so I'll be using white. Now see, I have taken my white and whatever जितना भी कतल करने का है ना, वो इधर ढकने पे करने का, जोर जोर से दबाने का. But when you come up to your flowers, now flowers नीचे तो नहीं उगेगा, they will all be on top. So few flowers here and there, I will just be making few flowers. It is all chap 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 chap, but दबा दबा के नहीं, एकदम हल्के हाथ से you have to do these. You know, I can put a few color over here, I can put red, I can put some other color also, but it's okay. Let me do it with white. I like whites. White flowers will also look nice. Okay, so only at the tips. Now again we'll have to keep it for drying before we do the other parts. There is still more to be done in this painting. These flowers. Acha, and now after this I will, if I have a rough paper, yes, no, I don't have a rough book here. Okay, I'll show it to you on this gathada. Never mind, I keep it as a rough part here. Okay, these are the flowers which are on this part. I require yellow color if I want to do my other painting, but it's okay. So these are few flowers. You just have to tap and the flowers will take their position. Okay. Now yes, I wanted to show you. So what I do is, how should I show you? And it's a white color, so I'll require, okay, I'm just holding this. See, when we do it, come here, yeah, Baba. When we do it, ऐसे the flowers will fall. But if you कत्तल करके करोगे ना तो it will look very bad. See, you have to do very delicately. टिक चिक. So the पत्ता ऐसे बन जाता है. अगर ऐसे दबो के करेंगे तो नहीं होएगा. Very हल्का हाथ, and your pen has to be your brush has to be at a right angle. Okay. So I'll meet you again after it dries. So children, my flowers are dried now, and now I'm going to do the fence. And to do the fence, we just have to write letter H. See, I will be writing letter H here. Baki ka fence is gone inside. See, I'll be able to see only a little bit part of it. So this is my fence here, and my fence here. Okay, the fence is just inside the bush. And now what we do is, when we make the fence on the right hand side of the fence and the lower fence, see, the right hand side will have a black mark. This will be the shadow part. Okay, the right hand side and the lower part. Okay, here the fence has to be a little jadiya, so I'll do that. So my fence is done. The fence is inside the bushes, so it cannot be seen very clearly. Now I don't require fence here. This is the walking place. This is the water here. These are the bushes. Now what I do is, I take my sap green color, and you can draw either side. Now this side is a little less and this side is a little more. So what I do, I'll just turn my book this side, and we can make few pattas falling. Now these pattas are nariyal ka patta, so they are like that. Okay, or it can be the pattas of the palm tree falling from top. We just have to, okay, I'll make one more. For every video I have to break one color, and I'm I don't know how I break my colors. So so, and then with your black color, if you wish, you can make few chidiyas. This looks kiddish, but I like to do it. So few crows flowing with the, this is a very simple landscape painting which each and every child can do. The only thing is that you need to practice your chap. Okay, so try this and please upload it on my Facebook page, Facebook group, Canvas and Scissors. I love to see the drawings there.
1, 2